I lit my side table on fire and I think I might have ruined it. I thought this table was boring, so I decided I wanted to add some color to it. And what better way to add color than with Sharpie markers? At this point, it looked like really cool stained glass art and I should have just stopped. But of course, I didn't. I took this isopropyl alcohol and poured it all over the table so that the ink would spread. I liked how the colors just flowed together as the alcohol spread the ink. And as previously mentioned, I lit the whole thing on fire. It's not often that I get to burn things to make art, but it was really fun to watch. It was about now that I kind of thought maybe I didn't like this table so much, but I had a vision that I had to fulfill, so I went forward and painted the whole thing white. That way, once you flipped it over, the white provided a nice background for the ink. Here's what it looks like in the room, and while it's not horrible, a large part of me wishes that I would have left it at the stained glass stage. Let me know which one you liked best in the comments, because I just might scrape all this paint off and start over again.